Aleko's heavy-duty outdoor canopy carport tent will include 8 rafter poles, pole A, 9 apex poles, pole B, 8 leg poles, pole C, 6 3-way joints, 6 4-way joints, 8 base plates, 1 fabric roof, 2 fabric wall panels, 2 fabric end panels, 48 bungees, tie-down gear for inclement weather, and assembly instructions. Start assembling the frame of the roof by placing an apex pole, pole B, into a 3-way joint, securing the pole into the push-button slot, and connect a rafter pole, pole A, into an adjacent slot. Insert another rafter pole, pole A, into the last open slot of the 3-way joint and turn the frame over. Secure a 4-way joint at the end of the connected apex pole, pole B, and slip another apex pole, pole B, on the opposite side of the newly connected 4-way joint. Insert 2 rafter poles, pole A, into each side of the newly connected 4-way joint. Repeat these steps for one more section of roof frame. Secure a 3-way joint at the end of the last apex pole, pole B, and position 2 rafter poles, pole A, into the open slots of the newly connected 3-way joint. Lay the rest of the apex poles, pole B, 3-way joints, and 4-way joints, making sure the 3-way joints are at the 4 corners of the roof frame. And when connecting, ensure there is an open slot for the leg poles, pole C, at the bottom of each of the connecting joints. Pull the roof over the top of the frame along with the 2 end panels and secure both together to the frame using the bungees. Insert the leg poles, pole C, into the base plate and then attach them to the open joints at the bottom of the roof frame. Secure the end panels and the roof to the frame using the bungees and connect the leg covers to the leg frame. Attach the wall panels to the frame using the sewn-in Velcro fasten all the corners together to the frame using the bungees. You are now able to keep everything safe and secure.